Hi, my name is Daniel here at Motor Match Stockport, and I'm going to be taking you around this approved used vehicle. Here we have this beautiful BMW 4 Series Gran Coupe 2 litre 420i GPF M Sport Auto xDrive. Now this vehicle has currently done 37,102 miles and it's finished in the colour mineral grey. It's a very sleek and stylish looking vehicle that's well equipped. It sits nicely on 19-inch alloy wheels. You've got LED headlights which light up the road nicely, providing you with great visibility. This 4 Series also comes with the optional extra comfort access. You have keyless entry and go, allowing you to unlock and start the vehicle without needing to take the key fob out of your pocket. The convenience continues to the rear, as you do have a power operated tailgate which you can open and close with just the push of a button. It provides you with access to the 480 litre boot. You can increase this space to 1,300 litres with the rear seats down. Taking a look inside to the rear, you have your gorgeous black leather interior. It features ice fix points on the outer seat so you can easily fit a child seat into the vehicle. Up front you have your leather wrapped multifunction steering wheel. Moving around to your front seats, you do have plenty of adjustment in the driver's seat so you can easily find the perfect driving position. You've got a full electric adjustment with memory presets. To the left of the steering wheel you've got your cruise control. To the right you'll find controls for adjusting the infotainment system. Throughout the interior you have the excellent Harman Kardon sound system. It makes listening to music even more enjoyable. At the top of the dashboard you'll find your infotainment screen. It's controlled using the dial and buttons here in the centre console. The system does have access to DAB, FM and AM radio. You can also play your own music with USB and Bluetooth audio. You've got your communication page where you can pair your phone up with Bluetooth to safely make hands-free phone calls while on the go. You can also access apps through Bluetooth as well as your Bluetooth audio. This system does come with built-in navigation to ensure you're never lost, allowing you to head to all new places with ease. You've got your connected drive, and there's also your My Vehicle where you have vehicle and system settings. You do have the vehicle service history there. You can see what exactly was carried out on each service. This 4 Series comes with 360 sensors as well as a reverse camera. Below from your display you have your dual zone automatic climate control. You also have heated front seats. RAC extended warranties are available. For more information or to book a test drive, give us a call on 0161 885 0358 or inquire online now.